Today I'm going to fly this new plane of mine, which is a Canard plane, as you can see, with a forward swept wing made out of 6mm Depron. The spar is embedded into the wing straight. On the tip I mounted this device which decreases the angle of attack at the wingtip. As you can see, I have a Canard hooked up to the main battery through these connectors to have unlimited, well, not unlimited, but almost unlimited video recording capabilities. I am using 9-gram Metal Gear 9018 Turnigy servos from Hobby King. They're quite nice. This is the method that I've used for the control horns, using ID card or gift card plastic. The motor that I'm using is a T-motor, 2207 2200 kilovolts, and it's running an APC prop 6x4.5. I have a 1550 4S battery from Full Power. This is the telemetry unit to announce on my Tyrannis the voltage, and this Rankan 2 battery is placed in the front to bring the CG forward a bit. Okay, so now I'm going to test fly this plane. Look at the beautiful sky. Ooh. So now I'm back at the field. I've changed the motor position. I took off the devices that I put on the wingtip to decrease the angle of attack, and instead of those I tried putting some vortex generators. This is going to be the last flight of this plane. I have decided to demolish it. Well, basically I'm going to keep the wing and demolish everything else because of its very bad characteristics. The first one being the nose down pitching moment produced by the thrust of the motor being so high from the CG point, which is around here. That nose down pitching moment cannot be overcome at launch by the control surfaces because of the low airflow flowing over them. Another issue I have is the stalls. Basically, to have a clean stall without having it spin, I need the CG so far forward that it doesn't make any sense, and in the stall I cannot control the spin. I basically have to pitch down and then recover. And the last problem is that I cannot fly inverted because of the CG point, because of the Canard. I don't know, it's just so bad. It's one of the worst flying airplane that I've built, so I'm going to demolish it and build another one with using this wing. Thank you for watching.